this, Mommy.
Hmm?
What do you want to do?
I will show you after I roll with this.
Daniel, what are you making?
We can roll with this.
Making a roller?
There's something else that I'm making. We'll see it too. Juice it. Then you guys will know what I'm making, okay?
Okay.
You know what I'm making now. Yes, I'm making.
I think you're making a mess.
No, I'm not. I'm just seeing it. I'm making a mess.
Are you making a mess?
Yeah. A snake.
A snake.
But I don't see in the eyes how it makes me snake. It's a snake. A snake. It's spicy. It's spicy.
Is that a carrot?
This carrot.
That's a carrot?
Oh, it's carrot. I never seen that before.
This is Daniel.
It's me.
Don't take your head off.
I want you to make me, Daddy.
Because Daniel's green. Look, green shirt, green Daniel.
And I want to be a blue blue this stuff.
Blue Dexter, okay.
Yeah. Your head. Put your head back on. How do you make a head?
I'll make it out of thin air. Wait, let me see. Let's pull this out.
New one. And how his head be bigger? I'm a girl.
What did you do?
This. I don't know what. That's what to do. I got carrots too.
You got carrots too?
Say what's this me. And that is making me. Boo.
Wow.
Hello, Daniel. I'm Boo. I'm Gene. Ow! That's her. Hey, that's mine. Oh wait. Let's stop a bit. Oh wait. What's your? Hey, my head's off. Hey.
Hey, your head fell off.
Hey. This is the ball. You get his head off. 10 seconds.
What's that, Dan?
It's not the door.
Oh, and all right, Dexter, 10 seconds. Ready? I'm gonna count to 10 and you have to make something. Go.
Okay.
1,
Okay.
2,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
4,
Okay.
5,
I'm a carrot.
6,
Okay.
7,
Okay.
8,
Okay.
9,
Okay.
10.
Okay.
What is it?
What? I didn't make something. Yeah.
Well, that's the game. Make something in 10 seconds.
All right, I'm gonna count to 10, you guys. 10 seconds, and you gotta make something pretty. Ready?
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, what did you make?
I make this.
Is it a star?
No, it's the word of mine. It's a ghost.
It's a ghost.
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold it up so I can see it.
It's good.
That's a cool ghost.
Yeah.
That?
It's a ducky star.
It's a cookie star?
Yeah, and it's a Christmassy turkey.
It's a Christmas tree cookie.
Mhm.
Cool. Dan, what are you doing?
We're gun boxes.
You're mixing colors.
Mhm.
Like you weren't supposed to.
That was my hands.
Mm-hmm. What did Mommy make? A snake.
That makes it. But I'm gonna make something beautiful in the whole world.
Something beautiful in the whole world?
Yeah. Better see.
Okay. Can't wait.
Anything?
You make a nose right there.
Oh, this is my normal nose, isn't it? Don't I normally have a nose like this?
Who made that? I take. Ah!
You took my nose! I'm gonna take your nose.
Let me put the nose back on.
Okay.
Tinkle little dog, how I want to walk. Up, little dog, down, tinkle, tinkle, little dog, how I want to walk. My house, yes. Let's go. This is my house. Oh.
Daniel, what's this one?
These potatoes. It's
You want to sing this song?
Yeah.
Here, sing the whole song. You sing it. Then what happened?
She fell off.
With the sun? How came the sun?
Yeah. It was brought down. Down came the rain. The rain is coming down to the bottom. I'm happy. Oh.
Hello.
Ah, my hair cut off! Ah!
Oh my a little bit more on this one.
Is this your Olaf?
No, this one is my Olaf. Hey,
Did you guys like playing with the Play-Doh?
What was I playing all night?